Did you know most Ford Explorer owners can fix ambient lighting issues in just a few minutes? Let's walk through the simple steps together, so your ride can look as sharp as it should. First, check your dimmer switch. If it's turned down low, the ambient lighting won't show up at all. So roll that dimmer wheel up and see if the lights kick in. Next, head into your Explorer's settings on the touchscreen. Tap Settings, then Ambient Lighting. Make sure it's switched on and pick your favorite color. If it's already on, try toggling it off and back on. Sometimes that resets things. Still nothing? Double check that all the car doors are fully closed and your headlights are on. Ambient lighting often won't work if doors are open or headlights are off. If you've tried all that, it could be a blown fuse. Pop open your owner's manual, find the fuse box, and look for the one labeled Interior Lights or Ambient Lighting. If the fuse is blown, swap it with a new one of the same rating. And finally, if things still aren't working, don't stress. Your local Ford dealer or a trusted mechanic can help diagnose and fix the issue. That's it. With these quick checks, your Ford Explorer's ambient lighting should be good to glow. Hit that like button if this helped you out, and drive safe.